Hi and welcome. For those that are new to the project, I would like to introduce the Game&light, a tiny game console that you can keep with your keys. In this video, I want to share with you the latest programs that I'm developing for the Game&light. To recap a little bit, the Game&light is a mini game console based on the IT Tiny 402 with 4K of flash. It has an LIC capacitor of 40 farads and just one button. It can be recharged by micro USB and it has a nice clip to take with you and ride a bike or in your skate. The first mode is lights always on. The second mode is lights blinking. And in the third mode, you enter the game. In this time, I want to share with you the latest game I'm developing, that is Space Invaders Lite. So, it is currently just a demo, so the game isn't complete, but so far the game is totally playable. And if you ask how you can control Space Invaders with just one button, it works as follows. You press the button and the ship goes in the right direction. You let it go and it auto scrolls back to the left position. And of course, you always auto fire. So the goal is to kill all the enemies. Well, sorry for that. You supposedly pass the game level, but there isn't the bounce yet. So you have to be careful or you will start the game again. So in the left side you can see a battery meter, and in the right side supposedly it will be a score counter. Here you can see it shows the current level, and it will go automatically. It will go to sleep after 4 seconds or so. So hopefully I finish the game in the next week or so. The next program is a little timer. Again, you have the lights, and here you can see you have seconds, minutes, and hours. Left position current temperature will be displayed once the sensors stabilize in about 1 minute or so. So apart from the current time, you have the battery percentage on top, and if you press the button, you will be entering a timer. So in 5 minutes, the LEDs will stay on, showing that the time is reached. You can choose 10, 15, 20, 25 or 30. And if you press the button a little longer, the device goes to sleep. Regarding the hardware, the device is charged by plugging it to the micro USB, and when the battery is full, LEDs will stay on a little bit and then turn off. So you can see the battery is full. Here you can see the battery is full. So let's turn on, and then they turn off and turn on again. in 4 seconds or about so, to prevent the LIC to pass 3.8 volts. Well, I hope you like it, and if you like the project, please leave me a like in the video. It helps a lot to continue developing programs for the Game&light. If you want to make your own, I leave in the project link to the PCBWay page, where you have all the Gerber files and parts used, as well as the case to 3D print the enclosure. Their service is super fast and reliable, so I always use them to make my projects. Thanks and bye bye.